Taban, how are you doing? This is a case study on the latest trades that we took. I believe it's extremely important to continue educating you. We don't only want to share our trades, but we also want to share why we take them and also the reasoning behind it, so you can make sure that you level up, even if we are sending the signals in the signal channel. Also, talking about the signal channel, we've been smashing it here in the trading room. There we go. Here we will be smashing it today. We had a NZDCAD trade, which actually didn't play out. It didn't trigger by 1 pip. But other than that, yesterday we had this beautiful 1 to 3 on GBPUSD. Beautiful trade on GBPUSD with take profit hit. And also the other day, another take profit hit here on NZDCAD fake change of Carter to the upside. Right now we will see everything about this, and maybe we took one stop loss here. Yes, one stop loss here on EURUSD and some more wins right here on EURUSD again. Nice setup, continuation to the upside. So let's go and check it out. EURUSD from the other day, I don't know if I still have it because I just had my mastermind, so I deleted a lot of charts to cover something, to cover a lot of things during the mastermind. This day was September 27 on EURUSD. Let's go and check it out. Perfect. So we have September 27th here on on EURUSD. Wait, let me see. EURUSD September 27, perfect. 6 in the morning, right here, perfect. As I said already, I deleted everything from my charts because I just had my first in-person mastermind. So I only have my latest trades and I didn't have this one on my hands. Let's get started. So here, what we can see is that we grab a major liquidity low, which was created during night. As soon as we grab it, you know already what we want to look for. Also, what can we notice? We've been on a long bearish period, bearish for a long time. And by the time that we are here, we are playing with the daily candle. So the daily candle opens, up here. It opens and we start dropping. By the time that we drop right here, the daily candle is full. So what does it mean? It means that the daily candle only has a body and doesn't have any wick. It actually has to the upside, but doesn't have any to the downside. So it doesn't have a wick to the downside. We're pushing to the downside. Imagine the daily candle that right here is completely full. And then we have a confirmation after a grab of liquidity. This trade was pretty self-explanatory. Here we just get a clear change of Carter. This was pretty easy. Change of Carter with 0.5 entry. I would say that this is one of the easiest trades that we took. Very easy, very textbook setup for a 1 to 3 restored ratio, targeting the Asian high. Very easy. Now going into the more in-depth stuff, we have NZDCAD from this morning and also NZDCAD from yesterday. Extremely important to pay attention to these two examples. Where is it? Sorry, wait. Yesterday. GBUSD from yesterday. So GBUSD is the trade that I took here that I was showing. I took on my personal flip account. I'm flipping this account. I started from 900, trying to go for 10,000. So from 900 to 10,000. It's extremely important to note that I'm trading on a regulated broker. I'm trading on IC markets, which cannot be faked. There are a lot of marketers that can fake their positions just by using marketing accounts that unregulated brokers can allow them to use, But yeah, we don't do that right here. It's on IC markets. Let me show you where it is. Perfect, IC markets right here. So yes, it was just to say that here on NZDCAD from today, we went and really looked way back for some liquidity. I usually don't look so much back for liquidity, but it was the only liquidity that I could have find in this chart. So zooming in, what happens is that we grab the liquidity, we grab the major liquidity, which is the pink line. After grabbing the major liquidity, we just have a confirmation. It's pretty pretty self-explanatory. Every single time it looks the same. Every single time we trade the same setups. Here we have the confirmation. The confirmation happens right here, which is the low that takes the liquidity. Extremely important. Any other different change of character doesn't work. Fake change of characters are all over the place and they just don't work. Fake change of characters happen every single day. We trade only good change of characters. I put my entry right here and it missed the entry by 1 pip. As you can see, very unfortunate, but that's how we want to trade. Of course, we will not ever enter below the 0.5. So we don't touch it. We don't get an entry. It smashes take profit right after, but that's not a problem. Yesterday on GBP USD, instead, we had a very nice trade after a clear grab of liquidity right here. Again, our good setups look good and look the same every single time. They look the same. That's what we do, right? So here we have this liquidity. This is some internal liquidity, and this is the major liquidity up here. But we can say that, why do we take this liquidity? So here the day starts and we have daily open, right? Daily open. Then we create the wick to the downside, and then we start creating the body of the daily candle, right? And we go all the way up here. So imagine by this time how the daily candle is being formed. We have just a huge body to the upside of the daily candle with a wick to the downside, and we have no wick to the upside whatsoever. So by the time this happens and we grab the liquidity, we can expect a retracement to close the day with a wick to the upside, because 95% of the candles have a wick to the upside and downside. Therefore, it must be created in 95% of the cases. We go on lower time frames after liquidity is taken. And again, it's pretty self-explanatory, very easy to see. We go on the 1 minute. And on the 1 minute, what happens is that we just have the confirmation of taking the low that grabs the liquidity. Again, this is not a good change of character. This right here, which you are seeing, which we break and break, and then give a confirmation to enter from supply. This is not a good confirmation at all. Never take this thing right here, because this time it worked. Next time it's going to go to the upside, you're going to get stopped out. This is the confirmation that we want to see, and it's the only confirmation that works repetitively. Right? Comes back, we had the 0.5%, 0.5 entry, smashes take profit. It could have actually gone lower, but we targeted a 1 to 3. Of course, all of these trades were shared in the Signal channel, and that's it. And I just wanted to keep it, I also want to keep it educative for you, to keep the education coming. So I wanted to explain all the trades and all the reasoning behind these trades in order for you to make sure that you can level up as well with us. I'll see you next time.